Hey guys, and welcome to the replay. How are you? Alrighty, just waiting for this to show up on my iPad. Seems to be taking a second here. Come on, iPad. This is not charging, it says. Let's unplug that. There it goes, and we're live. Well, we're trying to be live. Hopefully you guys are seeing me. I see my hands moving. Let's see. There we go. Woohoo! Hi Heidi, hi Jen. As you guys are coming in. Hello Stacy, how are you? Thanks for joining. Hi Gail. Hi Johnny. Hi Karen, hi Norma. Hopefully I'm in frame here. Let's see if I need to move this up a smidge. I think we're good. Okay, I think we are good. Okay, there it goes. Hi, Tracy. Hi, Catherine. Hi, Patricia. Hi, Sandy. I'm just trying to make sure that it's showing. It's freezing a little for me on my end. Hi, Sandy. But hopefully all looks good. Hello, hello. So, for those of you who are just joining, I am going to be sharing why you should be joining my Chalk Couture team tomorrow. I want to go over the kit and I want to tell you a little bit all about Chalk Couture and why I would be super excited to have you on my team. Hi Elizabeth, hi Sandy, hi Paula. So first of all, for those of you who do not know what Chalk Couture is, I'm going to put a little something up here about what we do. Because Chalk Couture truly is the coolest stuff ever. Hi Karen, hi Gina. Hi Patricia. I'm just going to wait until I see it come up. Because usually once it comes up it's about 30 seconds. Which is, it's a short little blurb. So hopefully it'll be super quick. Hi Jen, how are you girl? No Johnny, you'll get one with your July 15th Club Couture. It'll be coming to you in the mail. Chalk Couture is sending all designers a catalog for them to have, which will also come in the new designer kit. Hi, Yolanda. Hi, Debbie. Okay, that definitely should be up long enough. I'm on a very long delay. Hi, Tina. Hi, Tom. Okay, so let's discuss why you guys... Hi, Jen. Isn't it awesome? Why you guys are going to want to join my team come July the 1st, which will be tomorrow. Okay, hi Kathy, how are you? Okay, so our new designer kit, it is so amazing. It is valued at over $240, and you're gonna get, well, it's okay, it's $99 is the value that you'll pay, and it's valued at over $240. I totally said that wrong. Hi Lorraine, hi Lisa, hi Joyce. So what are you going to get for for $99? Okay, so what you're going to get for that $99 is you're going to get 5, oops, hold on one second, I forgot something. Husband, say hi to the people. Yeah, just go over and say hi.
Oh, okay. Hi people. I'm the fill-in here for a few seconds while Jess scrambles to get something.
I forgot. I printed out the new designer kit, what comes with it, and I forgot to bring it with me. I'm back. Sorry, because I wanted to tell everybody the colors that are coming with the new designer kit. Okay, so let's see. Alrighty, so what's going to come with the new designer kit? So, hi Lorraine. So there's going to be 5 colors of chalk paste. And they're 3-ounce containers, and the 5 colors you're going to get are going to be white, currant jam, peacock, garden herb, and storm. Now, what are those colors? Let me show you. Okay, so You're going to get white. You're going to get peacock. Look how stunning that color is. You're going to get garden herb. You're going to get currant jam. And you're going to get storm. So you're going to get a blue, a gray, a green. It's like a magenta type color. It's like a mix between red and purple, it looks like to me. And then white, of course, because we always need white. Hi, Jenny. Hi, Chantel. Hi, Jess. Oh, Joy says hi, Bran.
Hello.
He says hello. Hi, Katie. Okay, so those are going to be the 5 colors you're going to get. You're going to get one of our amazing, and please don't mind my nail looks funky because me and little Bran were playing ball yesterday, and I got the ball right to my finger, so I'm pretty sure it's a giant blood blister right underneath. Right underneath my nail, which hurts so bad. But we'll deal with that later, but just so you guys know. So you're going to get one of our awesome new small squeegees. It's vertical, and it measures 1 3/4 by 2.5, and it's perfect for going in any size jar. Okay, hi Leah. Hi Jenny. Hi Jen. Hi Jennifer. Okay, so you're going to get the 5 chalk pastes, the small squeegee. You're going to get 8 transfers, which are going to include Explore More, Create, Farm Sweet Farm, and there's the Explore More. That was the cool camping one. You're going to get the Establish Wreath. You're going to get the Business Builder, which is Vision Board. It says My Happy Masterpiece. You're going to get the Business Builder, Ask Me How. And you're also going to get the Have Courage and Be Kind, as well as the Chalk Couture transfer for this month, which I believe the one you should be getting will be Brilliant. Okay? That should be the one that should be going in the new designer kit for you guys to have. I could be wrong, so just so you know. Hi, Corey. Hi, George. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Sherry. I know, Leah. Hot Mess Express. I tell you guys that all the time. Aw, thanks, Corey. I'm glad you caught me too. So, those are the 8 transfers. You're also going to get, look, can't talk. You're also going to get the 10-inch round black chalkboard, and it is one of our boutique boards. Let me show you guys. It's right here. So it's going to be this board. It's the boutique board 10-inch round. You're also going to get our amazing Aiden 9x12 framed magnetic porcelain steel chalkboard. Truly one of a kind. These chalkboards are amazing, and the fact that they're magnetic makes them even better. Hi, April. You meant to hit the heart, Ollie. You're so cute. Hi, Sherry. So those 8 transfers, you're going to get an awesome apron, and then you're going to get some of our brand new thank you cards, which are super cute. They're a 12-pack, and they say, do more of what makes you happy. I can't remember what the striped one says, nor can I actually remember what this one says. But they're so cute. We got them when we went to convention. We were allowed to buy them. And you better believe I totally did. And you're also going to get the startup guide, which is awesome. And as a matter of fact, tomorrow starts our new series called Bonjour. And it's a 6-week series that's going to go over all things Chalk Couture. So that way you know everything you need to know. It's going to be little bits of information that'll come over 12 weeks. Now, additionally, why should you join my team? Hi, Belinda. Hi, Nancy. Well, for starters, I am chock full of information. Always making sure to offer any type of assistance that you guys need. I always have information that is up to date. I am a firm believer in being a superb team player. Like, we all play as team players. We all help each other. I don't deal with drama. You know, my team is amazing. They are my hashtag anchors. They know that I love them. Hi, Belinda. Hi, Nancy. Hi, April. So that's just another reason. Now you're going to say, okay, so $99, that's my starter kit. How much is it going to cost to get it to me? So it's $99 for the starter kit, and it's $22 for $22 shipping. Additionally, another added bonus that you're going to get. As a designer, we receive an amazing discount of 40%. So you're also going to get an additional coupon code that's going to give you a true 50% off an entire order. So it's going to be the difference between the 40% that we get and the difference up to a true 50% off, which equals about 16.67%. Hi, Becky. So now is the most amazing time to be a designer, and I'm going to tell you something else. Here's something super amazing. Tomorrow is our 1-year anniversary that we launched to the public. Hi, Debbie. How are you? So it is super great. The company is beyond amazing. It is a completely life-changing company. Super generous. It's super cool. Everybody loves it once they get their hands on it. The best part about it is you don't have to have a single crafty bone in your body. I wish I wasn't using my phone to go live because I would show you. My girlfriend came over today and her 6-year-old daughter sat and chalked with me and she made the unicorn transfer. Hi, Brandy. Hi, Tanya. She did the unicorn transfer and she did it perfectly, and she's 6 years old. She loved it so much. She said she can't wait to do. I could do it all day long, didn't she, babe? Yeah. Those were her words. I could do it all day long. So she actually wants to have a chalking party for her birthday in December. So how fun. Yay, Becky. I'm so excited. I can't wait to have you, girlfriend. Hi, Amanda. Hi, Cindy. So it is. Hi, Susan Tapley. So it's just such a super amazing, and I'm going to say it, and you guys are probably going to be like, you're so corny for saying that, but it's a super magical time. You're they just launched July the 1st, 2017. So July 1st, 2018 is their 1-year public anniversary, which is so cool. We're moving in such an amazingly positive direction. We just had our first convention. I was lucky enough to earn the incentive trip, their very first one in October. And let me tell you, when we went to convention, when we've had couture tours, they are just nothing but generous. Chalk Couture is nothing but generous to us. So just I can't help but speak volumes about this company and how amazing it is and how exciting it is to be a part of this company. So I just wanted to let you know that. Another fun thing that you're going to get in your kit, which I forgot to mention, is this awesome catalog, because July 2nd starts all these new transfers that once you join, you're going to have complete access to. Hi, Cal. Hi, Bernadette. Hi, Angela. You're going to get complete access to ordering all of these amazing things. You're going to get a website where people can order from you 365 days a year, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, morning, noon, and night. You will love it. Yeah, see? Susan even says she's never worked with a company like this. It's absolutely amazing. Bernadette says amen. We're just super blessed to be a part of this company. So I really hope you guys join my team. I would love to have you. It is a $99 investment to help you have an amazing future. And if you feel that it's not the right fit for you, you're only out $99. You're not out crazy ton of money and all this inventory. It's just so absolutely amazing. So if you are interested in joining, I'm going to pop a little something up here, sometime this month, or even first thing tomorrow morning, which will be awesome. All you're going to want to do is type join down in the comments below, and I'll add you to my opportunity group. What I showed you tonight was just a little snippet of everything I go over in my opportunity group. It's about a half-hour video. I go over every single thing you need to know about joining my Chalk Couture team. If you say, you know what, I'm not interested in joining your team, Jess, but this stuff looks super cool, and I think I want to buy some things. Well, you're going to want to type me to join my VIP group, because guess what? In my VIP group starting tomorrow, there's going to be a crazy good sale, because it is my 1-year anniversary with Chalk Couture tomorrow. How awesome! I'm so excited. So all you want to do, comment me down below if you want to join my VIP group. Comment join down below if you want to join my team. So guys, that's all I have for you. This new designer kit goes live effective midnight Mountain Standard Time. So I would love to have you. Hi, Chanel. Hi, Brenda. I can't wait to have you, Chanel. If you have any questions at all, please comment down below. And other than that, I hope you have a wonderful night, guys. Bye. Bye. Can't wait to see all the new team members we get tomorrow.